Such a truck festival. Look where we had to park. Way down there. All right, it's up that way, so we're gonna walk up there and we'll be back. I'm John. This is Add Water Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Holy Face Church in Callaway, Maryland. Touch a truck show. There's the church. There's the bell tower off there. There's another view of the church there and the rectory. It's chilly out today. Not too bad though. All right. It's fun. Look at all the kids running around. Take a look at everything. Take a quick walk through here. Beep. I gotta let the kids get up in the trucks. Look at that, there's a school bus. And snowplow. I think the snowplow season is over here. Thankfully enough. Concrete truck. Little Flower School is over there. That's the Catholic school that's associated with the church. Oh, here comes the copyrighted music. Hopefully we'll get around it with all these horns going, at least for a few minutes anyway. There's engine 31. There's a pickup and a horse trailer. There's a brush truck. Fire engines. Look at that big dump truck. Wow. It's a back view of some of these things. Dump truck. So this is how big the tires are. Look at that. Crazy. Cat. Ring power. What they have for the kids to pick up on. Neat. Excavating equipment there. Booths, heating and air. Truck. Excavating and hauling. Look at that truck. That's pretty neat. A Mack, a Sterling, and a Mack. Pickup with excavating equipment on the back. Oh, that's neat. Southern Maryland Towing. Peterbilt. school bus. Another Peterbilt with a big trailer on the back. That's pretty neat. Got the drilling equipment. Bucket. Let's see what's on the back of this thing. Smecco. It's the electric company. Smecco truck. It's a Ford F-350. There's some more trucks there. Towing. Another view of the rectory. That's pretty neat. Nice clean truck.
Back down there, you figure? Yeah, okay. I know.
That's pretty neat. Got the displays with the insulators and wire stuff. About a concrete truck. I don't know if we got these earlier, but we're getting them now. View of the side of that tow truck, that's crazy. We might have gotten this from the other side, but it's a little windy out today. It's all the kids having fun looking at the fire trucks. Hey, look. Hey, Bunny. Hey, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Food vendors. Bouncy houses for the kids. Looks like fun. Yeah. A couple of the police vehicles here. Here's St. Mary's County Sheriff's Department vehicle. St. Mary's County's finest. Right next to Maryland State Police vehicle. Maryland's finest. That was nice to have them come out and display their vehicles. There's a little flower school in the background there. There's something to take the kids on a hayride. Little Kubota. That's pretty neat. That'll do it for Touch a Truck. Got a neat little display. Not a bad day out. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you like this content, please consider subscribing. We're real close to 10,000. Like to hit it soon if we could. Appreciate everybody for watching. Thanks.